We're now here in Baler, Aurora, in the northern part of the Philippines, and it's a beautiful sunset, or I mean the sunrise, and the waves on the ocean. Listen to this one. Huh? Yay! Yay! Yeah, woo! Sorry, happy. Look, those are my two co-workers. Hello! Say hello! This one is Anna Magtibay, and this is Roxanne Gonzalez. Are you enjoying, guys?
Yes, of course. Morning.
Morning!
Baler.
Good
Ballerina.
morning, Baler, Aurora!
Ballerina.
And those are the people, the locals here. We do the surfing. We do the surfing last Friday, yesterday. I mean yesterday. And those are the people here. Queenie, Queenie, say hello. That's my coworker. Yeah, here. That's Queenie Villanueva. And look at those locals here. They're all swimming, enjoying. Well, Baler Aurora is the surfing capital of the Philippines. Most foreigners come here. International surfing competition held here every year, annually, and there's no doubt why they choose this place because as what you can see, the waves in the ocean is very perfect for surfing, and the people. Look at that one. Hey, Roxanne, you're blocking the sunrise.
Hello.
Look at the waves. Wow. Yesterday the bigs are much higher
The
than
big
this,
one is
something
coming.
like
Big,
a
big,
tsunami.
big.
And oh my gosh, wow.
Coming.
And that one, wow. That perfect view of the mountain, the ocean, and the sunrise. Oh my gosh. My phone gets wet due to this very big wave that hit me. And there it comes again. Look at that big wave. Whoa! I'm so sorry. Well, I must tell you why you should come here to Baler because of this waves. It's very huge that we're gonna give you a very exciting experience here in Baler. This is the surfing capital of the Philippines. I assure you guys that you're gonna find fun and excitement here. So what are you waiting for? Come to Baler Aurora. Only here in the Philippines because it's more fun in the Philippines! Thank you very much guys for watching. And there it goes. The wave.